Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. So I'm so excited to present you today's lesson, the Mantis lesson 2. So let's start. The last move from last lesson, we go punch with the horse stance. And now we continue with 插掌、五花掌、虚步 attack, come back on the other side. So let's just get this part first. We gotta go punch. Stand up, both knees straight, and cross your both hands in front of your chest. You go 插掌. You sit time, straight your knee, and you power out the all fingers. Then your hand to flip over like this. This is blocking move. And come back your waist. Then you shift your weight all straight line right here, and you attack by this. So same time, you go down with empty stance. So you notice how weight right here, and this is empty. That's what we call empty stance. Same times, you power flat. So right here, so you both hand right here, like a Mantis hand. Also, I mentioned the fingers like this all together. This finger does most job. Once you go attack, actually, it's not use this part because you got broken your wrist. It's more boom, shaking your fingers right here, boom, and come back. So attack the eye or neck, like this. So after this, you come back, you go shaking, and come back. You waist, you shift. Switch your weight and the other side. You hold weight with this part and you go attack. Alright, so let's talk about how to make this all together smooth and fast and strong and solid. Let's do this. So you go one and you go together. So you press down and same time you hand you go so you have more power with you relax your shoulder like this. So do a little warm up and then you go down with your press. So this have most power once you both hands go 45 down to attack, or it's block. If someone punches you, go boom, cross right there, and you cross the hand, you attack back, right? So get this, so you go stand up and press down, power, and you go twist. So you hit right on top and left cross. This both hand attach together and twist. Then you come back, your waist become the fingers, and you go down. Same time like this, a quick shift. So very important, once you quick shift, you have to get this line straight, and this is empty. So with that stance. Okay, follow me one more time to go faster and stronger. You get this, so you go 1 and 2, 3, attack, and shift, and come back, other side. So you see how this power go all from your two things, shoulder and your waist. This is the power, and this is the power. Top and top. So very important. You see your waist shift, your leg stay the center straight, and same thing the other side. Okay, so now go to real application. See you right back. Welcome back. Now we go continue more further. So this is both hand. You go cross and then you go open and you cross and open. So let's say the steps. So once you got the last move right here, you both hand, you say cross like together. Like you hug someone, you actually just go boom, grabbing someone like this, right? And you attack both sides. At the same time, you got to step your left. Become her steps, attack both sides. So 45 this way, both toes straight, flat, level, boom, like this, and then you go cross. 45 this way, you both hand, boom, grabbing, and you go attack the other side. The same thing. This is a repeat move left and right. So once you want to have much more power, you practice with your stances first. So your stances where we go right here, you say shoot, step, and you go boom, you make step, always make this flat. Your good stance is very important. Fit together. 45 and shoot. Go this way and come back. Right and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go and go. So you repeatedly training to make your solid stance strong. So your stance is very important in any kung fu form. Once you have a solid, strong stances, you have a great balance, and you with your power, you can attack back, right? So now let's place your head together to make it stronger and solid. So 1, this is cross move. Once you got this, you both hand quick to grabbing, same time, very quick to go squash down and halfway like this. Then you stop, you left, you both hand attack both sides. And same thing, you go grabbing, you go sit, move 45 this way, and you go attack another side. So now I want you in your head to think about how you make your feet faster and you make the step stronger. Same time with your power hand work. So let's do this. Okay, ready? And go one. Right, this is the first move. So your steps and with your hand must be same time. So that's just like you go boom. You say you step and punch, shoot. You go shoot. So that's how much power. Then doesn't work, right? So let's do this again. So with here, so you go one, repeatedly go two, and you go step quick. Same thing, go repeat. Come back, two, repeat and power. So stop like an elephant. Strong. Okay, so now go to real application. See you right back. Welcome back, my friends. So now we got to work on the last part of the lesson 2, Mantis Kung Fu. So follow me now. So soon we get the last move right here. Then we go one. Just the same step. When you step back, you just go together and halfway to go squash. At the same time, you mouse both hands crossing right here to protect your head. So let's say this again. 1, 2, 3. Great. 1, 2, 3. More speed and with power go protect you. And you go followed by a heel kick. The heel kick, you bend your knee first, you kick by your heel or the whole feet. So this go snap kick by your toe and this part. And this is a heel kick. So you got to do the heel kick, right? So you got to go block. And both hands come back right here. And you go heel and open your hip. Your body lean back. That's the safe way. And you generate much more power. Boom, kick. And you follow by both hands, right? The side, double punch. Vertical, very strong. So after this one, you go blocking your hand, you go step, and you step left, switching, and you attack by your shoulder. And that's all content for today. Let's put this all together. Let's see this. Right? So fit together. One will go cross. And you go heel kick, you down. And both hands to attack both sideway. And you grab him the hand, and you go step. And you go push by your shoulder and stand solid. So you know how to use. Let's quick talk about how these things work. You know this is blocking and you kick, you double punch. After someone grabbing your hand, you grabbing the hand, you twist, right? You twist and you double punch. Or someone grabbing your hand, you grabbing again and you twist, then you step. Either you can do takedown by this way or you go. And then you can use your shoulder and push the person away. Let's say the real application. I see you right back for the whole form. All right, so follow me for one last time from the movement 1 until the end, lesson 2, Mantis Kung Fu. The last move of lesson 1. And you go, knees back, stand up, attack both this, and your hand cross, twist by this way, and come back. By your waist, become Mantis hand. You go attack by this way, and you go twist, shift your weight, and go this side, and attack. After this, you go step, cross your both hand, and you go 45. You go attack, both hands, same time, and you same time 45. Then you step other side, attack. After this one, you go 1, blocking front face. Then you go heel kick, land it, you face it to this way, and you go sideways, double punch. Then you grab someone else's hand, you twist, and you push by your shoulder. So this way, and also with your stances. Boom! Right? The stances, both stance, flat, and go here. attack like this. So that's all for today. This is the lesson to whole content of Mantis Kung Fu. I hope you enjoy the video. I love you all, and I see you in next video. And bye bye.